In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list a house for rent in Zillow. 2026 Full Guide. Zillow remains the go-to destination for home shoppers, and in 2026, it still gives owners powerful, free tools to get their properties in front of serious eyeballs. I'll walk you through the exact process an owner uses on Zillow, along with practical tips to help your listing compete with agent-represented homes. Start by heading to Zillow.com and signing in to your free account. If you're new, create one with an email you actually monitor so you never miss an inquiry. From the main menu, hover over Sell and choose Post A for Sale by Owner Listing. Enter your property address. Zillow will often pull public data from county records to pre-fill basics, but you'll need to verify that you're the owner. Expect a quick text or automated call to authenticate before you can proceed. Take a moment here to make sure every auto-filled detail matches reality. Next, set your price. Research comparable properties sold in your area within the last 3 months to stay competitive, and adjust for condition, upgrades, and location. Keep your description concise. Under 250 words works best. Lead with what makes the property stand out, like acreage, a recent remodel, or energy-efficient upgrades, and write in clear, plain language. Confirm home facts such as square footage, lot size, and year built, and don't skip the amenities section. Accurately listing features like RV parking, a stucco exterior, or a mother-in-law suite helps your home surface in the right searches and sets buyer expectations. Strong visuals are the single biggest driver of clicks. I download the free Zillow 3D Home app to create a 360-degree virtual tour. In 2026, listings with the 3D Tour badge receive roughly 50% more views, so it's worth doing. If you have access to a compatible camera like the Insta360X5, the app now integrates directly for one-click, high-quality panoramic uploads. Otherwise, your phone works fine. Just tidy, light every room, and shoot horizontally. Consider hiring a professional photographer. Around $500 often gets you high-resolution stills and even drone shots, which can translate into more interest and, ultimately, a better outcome. When it comes to inquiries, provide a phone number you will actually answer and be ready for calls from both buyers and agents. Zillow's 2026 listing access standards keep owner-listed properties open and accessible to all buyers, which maximizes competition. Keep notes, screen politely, and schedule showings efficiently. Finally, review everything carefully and click Post for Sale by Owner. Your listing will undergo a brief moderation check before going live. Once published, share the link, respond promptly, and update details as needed.